Can a smart car electric off-road? Today we're about to find out.
Spins on a dime. We'll pitch it in, get her sideways through here. Back down the straight. It's the figure eight course. She'll do it all day too. Go down the track here.
This thing is nuts.
And a little splashy splash. There we go. It is the best.
This is the definition of out of spec.
That's absolutely correct. The smart car is one of the best rally cars. No one knows it. And foot hard down. Gotta take the outside line. That's a big hole. Tabletop time. Here we go. Send it. And there we go. And when you lift off on regen, it locks the rears a little bit, so it helps turn in.
Oh man, that's awesome.
Go through the loop and then back down the straight, catching a little air. And we'll do a little cinderoo. And that is a nice lap of the motocross track.